Welcome back to Ultra Auto Motorhome. Today we're taking an exclusive look at one of the most jaw-dropping motorhome concepts ever imagined. The 2027 BRABUS Motorhome is more than just a luxury RV. It's a rolling mansion designed for those who expect the finest craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and breathtaking performance wherever they travel. Inspired by the bold styling and engineering excellence of BRABUS, this futuristic motorhome combines the comfort of a luxury penthouse with the capability of a high-performance grand tourer. The exterior immediately commands attention with its striking design. Every surface has been sculpted to create an aggressive yet elegant appearance that stands apart from conventional motorhomes. The front fascia features a bold illuminated grille, ultra-slim matrix-LED headlights, and deep aerodynamic air intakes that give the vehicle a commanding road presence. The muscular bodywork is enhanced by exposed carbon fiber accents, gloss black trim, and precision-machined alloy wheels that perfectly reflect BRABUS's signature design philosophy. From the side, the sleek profile flows effortlessly from front to rear, replacing the traditional boxy silhouette with a streamlined design that improves both efficiency and visual appeal. Panoramic smart glass windows stretch nearly the entire length of the cabin, allowing passengers to enjoy incredible scenery while maintaining privacy with electronically adjustable tinting. Integrated LED accent lighting beneath the body creates a dramatic floating effect after sunset, making the motorhome look spectacular day or night. One of the most innovative exterior features is the expandable living system. At the push of a button, multiple sections of the cabin extend outward to create a significantly larger living area. The roof transforms into an elevated sky lounge complete with premium seating, ambient lighting, retractable shade panels, and panoramic viewing platforms. Whether you're parked beside the ocean, overlooking snow-covered mountains, or relaxing in a desert landscape, the rooftop lounge offers a luxurious outdoor retreat, unlike anything found on a traditional RV. The rear design is equally impressive. A full-width LED light signature spans the width of the vehicle, while illuminated BRABUS lettering and sculpted aerodynamic elements reinforce its premium identity. Hidden storage compartments, integrated solar panels, and an electrically operated rear cargo area ensure practicality without compromising the clean exterior design. Stepping inside reveals an environment that feels more like a luxury residence than a recreational vehicle. Every material has been carefully selected to create an atmosphere of refinement and exclusivity. Soft hand-stitched leather, Alcantara, polished aluminum, carbon fiber trim, and open-pore wood accents combine beautifully to create a contemporary interior that feels both luxurious and inviting. The spacious main lounge is the heart of the motorhome. Premium reclining captain's chairs offer heating, ventilation, massage functions, and fully adjustable memory settings. Opposite the seating area, a transparent OLED display rises silently from the cabinetry to provide entertainment, navigation, and smart home controls. When not in use, the display disappears completely, preserving the minimalist aesthetic. The panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with natural light during the day, while an intelligent ambient lighting system automatically adjusts brightness and color temperature according to the time of day and passenger preferences. A premium surround sound audio system delivers immersive sound quality, transforming the lounge into a private cinema or concert hall. The kitchen showcases a perfect balance between luxury and practicality. Premium stone countertops, illuminated cabinetry, hidden storage compartments, and brushed metal finishes create an elegant workspace. The fully equipped kitchen includes an induction cooktop, convection oven, smart refrigerator, espresso machine, wine cooler, dishwasher, and integrated touch-sensitive controls. Every appliance has been carefully integrated to maintain the clean, uncluttered appearance. Adjacent to the kitchen is a stylish dining area featuring a handcrafted table, surrounded by luxurious seating for family and guests. Large panoramic windows provide breathtaking views, making every meal an unforgettable experience. At the rear of the motorhome lies the master suite, designed to rival the finest hotel accommodations. A king-size floating bed sits at the center of the room, surrounded by ambient lighting and smart glass walls that transition between transparent and opaque at the touch of a button. Wake up to panoramic mountain views or enjoy complete privacy whenever desired. The bedroom also includes spacious wardrobes, hidden storage compartments, wireless charging stations, individual entertainment screens, premium bedding, and independent climate controls. Every element has been designed to maximize comfort during extended journeys. The adjacent bathroom continues the luxury theme with a spa-inspired design. Heated stone flooring, a spacious rainfall shower, illuminated mirrors, premium fixtures, and advanced water purification systems create an atmosphere worthy of a five-star resort. Intelligent water recycling technology allows travelers to remain off-grid for longer periods while maintaining maximum comfort. Performance is equally extraordinary. The 2027 BRABUS Motorhome concept is envisioned with a sophisticated hybrid electric drivetrain combining a powerful twin-turbocharged engine with multiple electric motors. Total system output could exceed 1,100 horsepower, providing effortless acceleration despite the vehicle's impressive size. The intelligent all-wheel drive system continuously monitors road conditions and distributes power where it's needed most. Instant electric torque ensures smooth acceleration, while advanced energy management systems maximize efficiency during long-distance travel. Ride comfort is elevated by an adaptive air suspension system that automatically adjusts ride height and damping based on road conditions. Whether driving on smooth highways, winding mountain roads, or uneven terrain, passengers enjoy an exceptionally refined and comfortable experience. Technology plays a major role throughout the vehicle. Advanced driver assistance features include semi-autonomous highway driving, adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, collision avoidance technology, blind spot monitoring, traffic sign recognition, and a comprehensive 360-degree camera system. These systems make driving such a large luxury vehicle remarkably effortless. The cockpit features a panoramic curved digital display extending across the dashboard. Navigation, vehicle diagnostics, energy management, entertainment, and performance information are all presented through a clean and intuitive interface. A sophisticated AI voice assistant allows occupants to control lighting, climate, multimedia, seating, and navigation using natural voice commands. Connectivity is equally impressive. High-speed satellite internet, onboard Wi-Fi, smart home integration, cloud-based monitoring, wireless device charging, and remote vehicle management ensure that owners remain connected no matter where their adventures take them. From controlling interior climate before arrival to monitoring battery status remotely, every feature has been designed for ultimate convenience. As for pricing, exclusivity naturally comes with a premium. Industry estimates suggest that the 2027 BRABUS Motorhome could start at approximately $2.5 million. Fully customized flagship models featuring bespoke interiors, rare materials, exclusive artwork, personalized layouts, and advanced technology packages could exceed $6 million, placing it among the most luxurious motorhomes ever envisioned. The 2027 BRABUS Motorhome represents a remarkable fusion of performance-inspired engineering, intelligent innovation, and uncompromising luxury. It transforms the traditional idea of RV travel into an experience that rivals the world's finest luxury residences, while offering complete freedom to explore wherever the road leads. For travelers who refuse to compromise between adventure and elegance, this extraordinary concept demonstrates that the future of luxury motorhomes is more spectacular than ever imagined. Thanks for watching Ultra Auto Motorhome, and I'll see you on the next journey.